Hello and welcome to another episode of Where's the Trade. Today we're going to look at Phillips 66 and I'm going to delete this level that I had drawn here. But taking a look here, since the IPO, it has been performing very, very well in today's market. And you can see here we have this nice uptrend and simple technical analysis. You could just draw the line here, and a good buy point on a dip would be looking at $50. It's also a key number there. But I want to show you today's activity in the January contracts and break down the bullish positioning here. So we take a look here. We can see we have some action in the 48s, 49s, and the 55s, which are the actively traded contract. Well, today there were buyers coming into the 55s. Let me break down the rest of the action for you. The buyers were rolling up positions put on months ago in the 48s, the 49s, and there are still some in the 50 contracts from a few months ago. I will take you back to the Analyze tab here on September 7th. This is when the first block of those 49 calls traded. If we move in forward a couple days going into Monday, because that was Friday's action, you can see here that is where that 50,000 contracts of open interest is created. The next big block of activity was on October 12th. I have noted here. And if we take a look here, there you could see the 49s and the 50s and the 55s. This was put on for a spread here. This was a call spread put on. So taking a look at today's activity, there were some bullish positions being rolled up. Now, some of the action was tied to a block of about 1.2 million shares. So let me look at the block here again. And yep, 1.2 million shares traded at 11:30. It was marked tied to the block. So overall, what that could be is somewhat of a hedge from a market maker. You know, when you see trades like this, because the biggest trade that occurred on the day was a block of 53,000. So when a trade like that occurs, there is not just somebody putting in an order. They go to the market maker. They have to figure out the market. So, you know, it potentially is where it was a somewhat of an adjustment, and the market maker had to adjust as well. I don't for sure know. However, when we take a look at the activity, if there is a dip, keeping in mind of the open interest here at the 55s, I think this really has a good chance of pushing in the 55 following this overall chart. Here's what I would like for you to do now. Make sure you click subscribe if you haven't. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment below. Tell me why you liked it, why you did not like it. And if you found the information to be valuable and you think that there's someone else out there that you know that could use the information or find the information valuable, make sure you click the share icon here and share the video with them.